So what's it that a customer really looks for when he comes for a claim or when he has an issue with the tire? He wants a speedy resolution, right? He wants that he could come to your shop, get the resolution immediately, and if possible walk away with a fresh set of tires in 20 minutes. Now that's what we have made possible through the way we are now going to change things on the eClaim app.
To start the eClaim process, click on Claim from the main menu. On the eClaim's landing page, you will see a summary snapshot of registered claims. And if you scroll down, you will see a list of all the past claims with their latest status. To start claim registration process, click on New Claim. Customer defects is for customer claims. New defect are for SKUs which have not yet been fitted on customer vehicle. OIS stands for Outdoor Inspection Slip. It is issued by CEAT representative and can be processed directly in the system. Select the claim type as Customer Defect from here. Here you can enter customer details. Upon entering the registered mobile number, the customer details mapped to this number will be automatically populated. If the details are not auto-populated because the customer details are not mapped, you can enter these details manually. Next, enter the serial number and click on Search, and list of all the warranties registered for the customer will appear. If there are no claims registered in the system, no records will be available here. So click on Proceed to Claim. This is the claim registration screen. You will first need to enter the product details. Start by selecting the SKU type from this drop-down. Next, select the category it belongs to by scrolling down or by searching for it. Similarly, select the SKU description by scrolling down or by searching for it. Next, select the fitment type. If the claim SKU falls under OEM, you will need to enter vehicle, make and model. That done, it's time to enter the inspection details. Start by entering actual NSD and select disposition from the drop-down. You don't have to enter the defect except in the case of rejected claims. We have introduced a new feature of auto-invoicing for faster settlement. In this case, the invoice is automatically generated if the claim tire is accepted. Now, tick on Spot Replacement and Replace with Alternate SKU option opens up. Tick the Alternate SKU checkbox if the customer opts for an alternate CEAT product or SKU, and find the SKU options that belong to the same category as the claim tire. Sometimes you're not sure of how to resolve a particular claim and would like to consult the central inspection team for the disposition. So use this facility to upload 6 images of the claim SKU and the defect as per instruction. Non-authorized channel partners can use this facility now to avail spot replacement for their customers. Entering OTP is compulsory in the case of spot replacement. An SMS with details of disposition and replacement offer will be promptly sent to the customer. The moment you raise a spot claim, this will go to our ordering system automatically and you will get a replacement tire. Review the claim details from this screen. You can email the details to your customer directly from here. We have also introduced an auto warranty registration facility. Click on the Register Warranty button to avail the same. Enter the serial number of the replaced tire and submit. Customer will get an SMS with additional 6 months warranty. And if a tube or flap comes along with the claim tire, you can process the claim via Create Related Claim. Once done, send the claim tire back to CFA as soon as possible. You need to send the claim tire within 15 days if you are in CFA location and within 30 days if you are in upcountry location. CEAT. It helps.